So today we're just cleaning up the birds' room. They have made so much mess. So yeah, that's our day today. And I'm going to bring in my daughter's new little budgie because one of her budgies passed away and we brought another one for her. So I'll introduce you to little mate. And yeah, he's going to be in the birds' room from now on with his little girlfriend. Hey buddy. So yeah, we'll bring him in soon and I'll get to introduce him to Buddy and Echo. And yeah, see how he goes tonight in here with them. Are you going to talk to them? There you go. You talk to everybody? Yeah, you can talk to everybody. I'm going to clean up this. Are you helping me clean the mirror? Yeah, the mirror that you pooped all over. Hey? Yeah. Well, thank you. I appreciate you helping me. Oh. You're such a funny little boy. Yes, you are. Do, 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 do. Is that better? Look how cleaner that is. Yay! You can see yourself in there now. Yes, hello. Who's a beautiful boy? Yeah. Is that better? It's all clean? Hey? Yes, hello. What are you doing? Hey? Yeah? Is that better? It's all clean? Yeah, we cleaned your mirror. Yeah, it's all clean. Hey? So thank you, Mum. Thank you, Mum, for cleaning it. How you doing? Here's a cheeky boy. Yeah, you cheeky boy. Oh, cheeky boy. Give me a kiss. Mwah. What are you doing? My gorgeous boy? Hey? What cheeky boy? Yeah. You want to step up with that? Yeah, you can keep talking. I'm just going to give this bit a bit of a wipe. Hmm? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Aren't you a gorgeous boy? Oh. Doing. We're cleaning. Cleaning all your mirrors so now you may see. Yes. I'm going to see your beautiful self. Yeah. What, do it? Oh. What? Doing? I'm cleaning this bit here so you can see. Oh. Don't bite me. Don't get cranky. Oh. There you go. Isn't that fun? Alright then. Doing. Say, give me a kiss. Doing. Hey, my beautiful boy. Yeah, you're so beautiful. Yeah, I love you so much. My gorgeous boy. Hey? Yeah. Oh, who's a good looking baby? Who are you doing? Say, give me a kiss. Doing. Alright then, I'll leave you. I'm going to keep cleaning your room, mister. You going to talk to your mirror? You're going to come help me, are you? Oh, hello, beautiful boy. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. It's my baby. Alright then, Mum's gonna keep cleaning. Yeah. That's so beautiful. Yes, you are. Alright guys, so Buddy is meeting little mate. There he is. Hello, beautiful boy. Yeah, hello. So that's little mate. Yeah, hello, baby. Yeah, you got a new one. Yeah. So you've got 4 budgie friends now, Buddy. Hey? Yeah. You got Kev and Tweety. Hello, babies. And then you have little mate and Aurora. Hello, beautiful. So yeah, this is little mate. Hey? And he's gonna hang out in here with you. Yeah? Are you gonna be nice to him? Yeah. There's someone else to talk to. Yeah, what's he doing in there? Hello. Yeah, he's gorgeous, isn't he? Hey? Yeah. He's a rainbow budgie. Aren't you, mister? Yeah, rainbow budgie. Yeah, say hello. Look at these big birds. Yeah, say hello. It's Buddy. Hello, Buddy. Yeah, you gonna hang out? Hey, little mate. Yeah, you're gonna hang out with Buddy. Yeah, you still got Aurora there. Yeah, you still got your girlfriend. Hey? Yeah. You guys are in the big bird's room now. Hey? Yeah, beautiful boy. Yeah, say hello, little mate. Yeah, that's little mate. Yeah, say welcome to the pack. Hey? Yeah, he's looking at you. He's like, what the hell is that big bird? Hey? Yeah.